So, you've heard of Spocket and you're wondering, is there a Spocket app? Let's dive into that question and explore the world of Spocket. What is Spocket? For those who are new to Spocket, it's a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers worldwide, allowing you to sell products without holding inventory. It's like a virtual wholesale market at your fingertips. The short answer, no, there's no official Spocket app. While many popular online platforms have dedicated apps, Spocket doesn't have an official mobile app. However, that doesn't mean you can't use Spocket on your phone. Using Spocket on your mobile browser. The easiest way to access Spocket on your phone is through a mobile browser. Simply open your preferred browser, go to Spocket's website, and log in. You'll have access to the same features as you would on a desktop. Progressive web apps, PWAs. Some browsers support PWAs, which are web applications that can function like native apps. While Spocket doesn't have a specific PWA, your browser might offer a PWA option for the website. This can provide a more app-like experience. Why no official app? You might be wondering why Spocket hasn't developed an official app. There could be a few reasons. Focus on web experience. Spocket might prioritize providing a seamless experience on their website, which can be easily accessed on mobile browsers. Development resources. Creating and maintaining a mobile app requires significant resources, and Spocket might allocate those resources to other areas of their platform. Market analysis. They might have conducted market research and found that their target audience primarily uses mobile browsers or doesn't require a dedicated app. Alternative options. While there's no official Spocket app, you can explore these alternative options. Browser bookmarks. Create a bookmark for Spocket on your phone's browser for quick access. Home screen shortcuts. Some browsers allow you to create shortcuts to websites on your home screen, making them look like native apps. Third-party apps. Be cautious of third-party apps claiming to be related to Spocket. Always verify their legitimacy and ensure they're not phishing attempts. The future of a Spocket app. While there's no official word on whether Spocket plans to develop an app in the future, it's possible they might consider it based on user demand or changes in the market. So, to answer your question, there's currently no official Spocket app. However, you can easily access Spocket on your mobile device using a browser or browser-based features. Keep an eye on Spocket's updates and announcements for any future developments regarding a mobile app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.